Hi, it's getting to be near Valentine's Day. Do you like Valentine's Day? Yeah, I like to get Valentines. Will you be my stinky Valentine? Will you be my stinky Valentine? Oh, Purple Monster, a stinky Valentine, is that what you really want to say? Here's a heart for you, and I can sing a song to you. But I want to sing too. Okay, as long as you sing nice words. Will you be my Valentine, Valentine, Valentine? Will you be my Valentine on Valentine's Day? Yes, I'll be your Valentine, Valentine, Valentine. Yes, I'll be your Valentine on Valentine's Day. Thank you, Purple Monster, for using nice words. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you.